Trying to pick a smartwatch, but everything feels the same? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting the Garmin Venu 4 and the Google Pixel Watch 3 head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Comparative analysis. Talking about the materials and build, the Garmin Venu 4 features a fiber-reinforced polymer case with a stainless steel bezel, designed to be lightweight yet durable for fitness and outdoor use, while the Google Pixel Watch 3 uses a premium 100% recycled aluminum body with a sleek, minimalist design that feels more like a traditional smartwatch for daily wear. The Garmin Venu 4 comes in 41mm and 45mm sizes with bright AMOLED displays protected by Gorilla Glass 3, while the Pixel Watch 3 also offers 41mm and 45mm variants, but uses a more advanced LTPO AMOLED Actua display with custom 3D Gorilla Glass 5 and up to 2000 nits brightness for superior outdoor visibility. The Garmin Venu 4 delivers significantly longer battery life with up to 10 days on the 41mm and up to 12 days on the 45mm model, making it ideal for long usage without frequent charging, while the Pixel Watch 3 offers around 24 hours with always-on display, or up to 36 hours in battery saver mode, focusing more on smart features rather than endurance. The Garmin Venu 4 focuses heavily on fitness and recovery tracking, with features like HRV-based stress monitoring, body battery, sleep coaching, ECG support, and over 80 sports modes, while the Pixel Watch 3 offers advanced smart features, including Google Assistant, Play Store apps, and health tools like ECG SpO2, skin temperature, and CEDA stress tracking for real-time emotional response monitoring. The Garmin Venu 4 uses a custom low-power Garmin chipset optimized for battery efficiency and fitness tracking, while the Pixel Watch 3 is powered by the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 processor with a co-processor, delivering smoother performance and better app handling. The Garmin Venu 4 was launched in September 2025 with a starting price of around $549, while the Pixel Watch 3 launched in 2024 with a starting price of around $349, depending on the variant and connectivity options. The Garmin Venu 4 is best suited for users who want strong fitness tracking, long battery life, and outdoor performance, while the Pixel Watch 3 is ideal for users who want a full smartwatch experience with apps, smart features, and deep integration with the Google ecosystem. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.